Hey everyone. Hey, it's been a while, right? So, I was working on a little project and I decided to take the time to show you what I'm working on, and maybe you can use it as a little DIY and hopefully it'll work for you as well. One of the common issues with Ninja Turtle weapons is breakage, right? And what you can see here is Donatello staff. This is from the reissue, 2000 what 2002, and the plastic is just not as pliable as the original. So of course it just snapped right off the sprue, and yeah, it broke off right at the end. But that's okay because I can fix it. And I got some materials here, some of the stuff that you can find at home. Now, you don't necessarily have to use the same exact materials, but it'll give you an idea, and you could be creative on how you want to fix your thing. I found a paperclip. I found a. Oop, come back over here. There you go. Nail clippers, super glue, and this manual drill that I bought recently at, well, on Amazon for about $7. It came with about maybe 20 or 30 different bits to use. This is a very thin one, perfect for drilling little tiny holes, which is what we need to do on this project. So I will show you the hole that I drilled. Focus here, focus here. Now you can see it. There we go. So I drilled it maybe about, I want to say, half an inch in, maybe a little bit less. And I used my, now you don't have to do this, it's just what I had lying around. I essentially cut off a piece with fingernail clippers. I held it in place like a vise and just kind of like moved it around until I was able to break a piece off. And I'll show you what I did with the other end of it. Stuck it right on there. So now I didn't put glue on this because I found out that it actually held pretty well with the size of hole that I did. It just was tight enough to put that piece of paper clip on there. Now, when I put the other side, I noticed that it was a little too big, so I went and cut it down using my nail clippers. Well, broke it off the same way. So what I'm going to do now is attach this to this. And I've applied a dab of glue onto the end of this and around the circumference of that. You don't want to put way too much, but I'm going to attach this end and let's see how it goes. And there you go. I have attached the other side of it. Now, what's good about using the paper clip is that you can kind of bend it back to the shape that you want. Um, and it may come out a little crooked at first, but you get, like I said, you can go ahead and bend it and get that perfectly straight Donatello bow staff that you want. Now, this could possibly work for other, other little weapons that you find from the Ninja Turtle line. So the best thing to do is, like I said, get a little paper clip, get yourself one of these little um, manual drills, and you'll be off to having some fixed weapons. Anyway, take care of yourselves. We'll see you later on.